This problem is asking us to write an equation for the function that has a graph with the given characteristics. It says it has the shape of y equals 1 over x and it's shifted up 8 units. All right, what's in front here doesn't really matter. I mean, it matters for our answer, but the way we're going to mess with what we're given is this part right here. Every time you're given a graph transformation, whether it's shifted up or down, left or right, it's reflected over the x or y axis. It can be shrunk or stretched. It's going to correspond to doing something to your equation. And I have this little cheat sheet here just so we can look at it together. When it's shifted up, that's an example, that's a vertical translation, up. What it's telling you to do in function notation, which is what we want to do, is we want to add at the very end. Okay. And the number we're going to add is 8. So very literally what this is going to look like, oops, we take our original y equals 1 over x and we just do plus 8. And that's what you're gonna write down in the box there. That's all there is to it. Now, one thing to remember is that you do not have this on you will not have this for your tests, so you gotta try to remember it some way. And I'll talk about that very briefly right now. The translations up and down are add and subtract at the end. The translations left and right are adding and subtracting on x, but they do the opposite. So when you go left, it's plus. When you go right, it's minus. And then reflections have negative signs on them. If you reflect over the x-axis, it's negative in the front. Reflect over the y-axis, it is negative on the x. And then if you stretch or shrink, you just multiply the function by a. We won't be doing this one, so don't worry about that last one.